We're going to do a couple minutes of microcosmic orbit meditation. I'm going to lead you into it with some imagery of a wave. Lots of ways of doing this. This is a way that sometimes I think can be helpful. So find yourself in a place to sit. Close the eyes. You always can keep the eyes open if you prefer. Begin by noticing the parts of your body touching closest to the earth, whether that's your feet or if you're cross-legged, maybe your knees, and the parts of your body touching whatever chair or cushion you're on, or if you're on the ground or the floor, that too. And imagine you can somehow look down within your own body and see inside. And imagine it's like a hollow, open space. And you can look down to the perineum or down to your pelvic floor, all the way down. And as you breathe in, just imagine a wave, maybe a wave of light, just rising up with the breath through the body, past the level of your navel and your sternum, and all the way up to the top of the head. And as you breathe out, that wave gently crests and descends all the way back down to the perineum, or to the meeting point of yin, the hui yin point. So you're breathing in at your own pace, and the wave rises up through the body all the way up to the top of the head. And as you breathe out, you watch this wave of light just descend gently down, all the way down to the perineum or the pelvic floor. So seeing this from the inside, breathing in, the wave rises, and breathing out, the wave releases all through the center of the open space you imagine that you can see in your body. If it's comfortable to breathe in and out through your nose, then the mouth is closed and the tongue is gently touching the roof of your mouth. Breathing in as the wave rises. Breathe out as the wave descends. Breathing in and it rises up to the top. Breathe out and it gently releases back down through the body. Stay with that a few rounds. Tongue up to the roof of the mouth. If it feels very serious, just release and smile a little bit with it. It's not so serious. Breathing in and the wave rises, and breathe out, the wave descends. Now, staying with that same wave imagery, and if there's a feel of it, stay with the feeling. But now, as the wave begins to rise up the body, imagine the wave kind of pulls toward the inside of the back of the body. So it's like a wave rising up the back side of the body, back of the head up to the top. And then as the wave goes down, imagine it kind of almost sloshing toward the front. And it's going down, kind of pushing gently from the inside against the inside of the front of your body, down to the pelvic floor, to the meeting point of yin, the perineum. And you breathe in, and the wave rises now. It's pushing gently toward the back of the inside of the body, all the way up, and watch it from the inside, going up over the inside of the top of the head toward the front. And as you breathe out, the wave rolls down the front inside line of the body down to the bottom, and it curves at the bottom toward the back, toward the tailbone and the sacrum, and it rises up with the in-breath, the wave rising up along the inside of the back of the body. Watch it go on the inside of the back of the head, over the top on the inside, and then drifting down the face. And as you breathe out, pushing the wave down the front, past the heart and the solar plexus and the navel, back down to the meeting point of yin. So you're breathing in and it rises up the back, the wave rolling up over the top of the inside of the head. Breathing out at your own pace, the wave rolls down the front, following the edge of the wave with your eyes as it goes down. Breathing in, following the rising wave of the back with the eyes, imagining you can see it in the body rising up over the inside of the head toward the front. As you breathe out, it drifts down the front of the body, back down to the meeting point of the yin. A few more rounds, breathing in, the wave rolls up the inside of the back, up to the top. Breathing out, and it rolls down the front, the inside of the body. 3 more times, breathing in, up the back, tongue to the roof of the mouth, breathing out, down the front. Breathing in, up the back, see the wave, up over the top of the inside of the head, tongue up to the roof of the mouth. Breathing out from the lower palate, down, rolling down past the navel, back down 1 more time, all the way around, breathing it in, all the way up the back, just following it with the eyes and the feeling. Breathing it out, rolling it down the front. And then this last time, you bring it up the back with the in-breath, up over the top of the head. But as it rolls down the front, when it reaches the navel, see it roll into the space of the abdomen, the space between your navel and what's called the Mingmen, or the gate of life. That's the point on the spine and the back, directly opposite the navel. Just imagine you can look down inside your body now and see perhaps a ball of light now at the space between your navel and the spine. As you breathe in, the ball of light gently pulses outward with the breath and the expansion of the body. As you breathe out, it releases. Stay with that a few breaths, just watching this ball of light, imagining you can see it in the body. And then when you're ready, you can just let that imagery go. Take a moment to return to the sensations of your body, touching whatever it is you're sitting on, and however your body is situated, the places of contact between your body and the earth below. And then if you're ready, or when you're ready, if the eyes are closed, you can open the eyes, you can look around. Notice how things look. And when you're ready, go about your day. Pretend nothing happened. Thanks.